Rejected.
My throat hurts.
The only thing harder than finding the perfect house for one very particular person is doing it for two.
There is no way I'm playing that much in this house. Okay, so how much?
You want to come up with 5?
5? I can do 5. But I don't forget this. Me too.
8th offer rejected.
This is the house
2 months later.
and it just came on the market.
Wow. Oh, look at that tile. Oh
See,
my.
if he would have listened to what Drew has to say, that let's offer 870. No,
That is true.
it's listed 858, but he knows it's a hot cake,
Yeah.
and then he want to go lower. Well, because there's a lot of renovation, and then and then boom.
The real estate market can have a lot of highs and lows, but I have a really good feeling about this house. I hope I'm not the only one. Once we're here, the hardwood has been redone all throughout here, but you can see they've got the baseboards on.
There's wires everywhere.
You know, this is just a bit of a mess. Underneath here, you can also see the original subfloor. You'll notice that depending on where you're standing, there might be some suites. There you go. You want to know Erin when she's trying to talk. I'll drop you a beat. That looked like you were. Can you picture yourself living here?
I mean, I like it, but I've seen so many others, I'm afraid to like it.
You have home heartbreak.
I do.
This is the one they're going to end up with.
How many guys did you date before you found this gem?
Enter to send. What the heck?
What happened?
I was replying to Greg, and then hi Greg, and I said enter, and then it sent. Ugh.
Press enter to send.
Yeah, I didn't read that. I was gonna drop it down.
Yeah,
Oh, whatever.
But once we're here, we have this open floor to the dining room, and we have this ancient light fixture.
Oh, it looks like it's from King Arthur's castle.
We can have some great conversation pieces throughout. This isn't one of those things. I say we head back to the ocean tile and into the kitchen. They've done some work in here over the years.
Okay, it's very dated. This is very interesting. It almost matches the ocean floor a little bit. If we do get this house, I'd really like to smash that light.
I can make sure that happens.
Is that water ready?
Yes, so there's a little bit damage here. It's still soft, actually. Yeah, we open it up to make sure we know where that's coming from, and we get that rectified. We give the kitchen just to make sure there are no underlying issues. And with the wall down, there's a lot more room for cabinets. A large round table will be ideal for playing games or hosting dinners. And in the kitchen, we make a fresh start with high-end cabinetry, new appliances, and a mix of gold and silver to make sure it's a perfect place for both.
Meh. This is gonna look great.
I feel like you guys just died a little inside. You've all of a sudden just like, oh, what's wrong?
We're just so tired, and we're scared to light
We or you?
Rip it on and lose again.
Want more Property Brothers? Check out our videos online and before and after photos of our favorite renovations. Access behind-the-scenes pictures and additional video clips, including outtakes and bloopers, online now at htv.com/propertybrothers.
Lord, honey, this is exotic.
You're like threatening me with a good time.
Yes, all new Comedy Baking Championship, Sunday night at 9 on Food Network.
Hello, and what would you like this year?
I want a Julian watering buffet from Furniture of America with open shelving, a sliding glass door, and a built-in wine rack.
Overstock.com has an easier way to get your home ready for the holidays. Shop thousands of deals during our Black Friday sale. The deals you need, the gifts they want. At Overstock.com.
See?
Black Friday deals are here all month long at Lowe's. Get up to 40% off. Apply special values $3.96 or more.
Saturday,
Refrigerator for only $6.98.
we've been invited
Lowe's consumer credit card. Make your home happy
to go over to Helen's mom's house up at Red Lion in the Boulevard. You know where the YMCA is up there?
You make another one. Say hello to the Accord Hybrid. With 212 horsepower and a 49 mpg city rating, it's the most powerful and fuel efficient in its class. Drive away with great deals at the Happy Honda Days sales event. I know.
At home instead, we understand you can't be there for them all the time. It's why we offer individualized care for every unique situation to keep them safe at home instead of anywhere else. Learn more.
So I said, hi Greg, thank you for your brief message. I'm glad that it's November 4th, by the way. Thank you for your brief message. I'm glad and now I'm continuing for second term interning with this company. Thank you once again. Hope everything is going well with you and everyone else, and happy Thanksgiving. And I'm glad I had a chance to know you and the rest of the crews. Well, because if not because of them, I wouldn't get this job too.
Yeah.
Because they like sold me out basically. Like, you stupid if you didn't hire her. You know, that's basically
Yeah.
what I'm pretty sure. And it's take me a while to adjust. Now it's like a routine whenever I go to the Dan desk. He's like, good morning, you know. Before it's just like a robot. Like, you gonna say good morning or no? It's you know, or just pretend I didn't see Dan. You know, it's just weird. And but after that evaluation, and then just kind of like a relief, you know, so they continuing take me on board, you know, and like, oh, okay, so it just like kind of relaxed me a little bit. So and then when they say good morning, okay, good morning, and hey, how you doing, and I start talking instead of yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, the intonation and everything is changed.
Yeah.
You know multiple offers are happening in this market because you've lost out on 8 houses. This house is going to sell fast, and it too will probably have multiple offers.
Alright, that's done. Who's this Patel guy? Is he in my class? Did he is in my group even?
Yeah, no home inspection at all.
Alright guys, I know this is not what you want to hear, but they rejected our offer based on
Are you kidding?
Again, they did come back though, they have counterbacked at $890. So at least they're moving. My job is to help you find a house that works for you, make sure you don't overpay, negotiate that house for you, and give you advice. $890 is a good market value for this home. We're going to put equity in your pocket after the renovation. I honestly think you should take the $890, but you have to make the decision.
What is the decision?
No, I trust Drew, so I think we should do it. We accept.
Yes, this is good. The search is now over. Aaron and Adam can relax. They finally secured a home. It was an uphill battle with these two from the